About 5 persons feared dead as 2 blocks of low-income group apartments collapsed in Vadodara. Rescue and relief work is on. We have Abhishek updating us on that. Abhishek, over to you. What can you share with us at the moment?
Well, 5 feared dead, and there is possibility of the numbers increasing because it is believed that about 40-odd persons were there when these 2 blocks collapsed in an apartment block complex where about 33 such buildings of 3 stories are there in Atladra area of Baroda. This has happened at around 4 a.m. and not very old building, just about 10 odd years old. So some investigation perhaps would need to be launched as to why not very old. I mean, despite the fact that the buildings are not very old, these 2 blocks collapsed. 1 block collapsed at around 4 a.m. and there was no possibility for people to come out, and that is the reason why about 40-odd persons are believed to be there inside, of which 7 have been taken out, 5 dead, 2 alive, including 1 kid. So rescue operations on. About 50-odd people from the fire brigade services and the National Disaster Relief Force, NDRF. The local administration has pressed all its resources into service, and full-fledged operations are on to get rest of the people out. The area has been cordoned. It's on the outskirts of Baroda, about 5-odd kilometers from the city center, and it was a low-income group residential complex, about 33 buildings, of which 2 have collapsed back to back at around 4 a.m. 5 people confirmed dead, and I must add here that numbers could rise because the buildings have totally collapsed, and
right.
The people who are there inside are absolutely inside the debris.
Right, Abhishek, very, very disturbing news indeed, coming early in the morning, and you're saying 40 people could be still trapped there. 2 of those who were trapped have been rescued and 5 dead. Now tell us, for a low-income group apartment like this to collapse suddenly, what could be the possible trigger for something like that? Because it does set an alarm for all the other buildings of this stature.
Well, yes, we have been told that there were some issues with construction quality which were brought to the notice. These are, by the way, apartment blocks built by the Vadodara Urban Development Authority, which essentially means these are not private blocks. So a lot of responsibility rests on the local administration to explain why this happened. There were some complaints about the quality of construction which were perhaps not adequately addressed, leading to this collapse today. As of now, we are told that all the blocks remaining of the 33, 2 collapsed, remaining 31 have also been evacuated, and all the people have been asked to stay away till a quality check is carried out. But why these 2 collapsed, why the complaints that were earlier made by the residents about low quality of construction were not addressed. As I was mentioning, these blocks are just about 10 or 12 odd years old. I think the possession was, I am told, given in around 2003, which means these are not very old blocks. Typically, such kind of collapses because of monsoons perhaps happens in buildings which are 20 odd years old or more.
Right,
but in this case, these are very
new
blocks, so all the explanation would need to come.
Right.